Struggling to remove green screen cleanly in Adobe After Effects? In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to remove green screen and get clean results without plugins or complicated steps. Let's get started. I'll start by importing a green screen video into After Effects. I'll double-click inside the project panel, choose my video file, and click Import. This green screen clip is from Pixabay, and I've added the download link in the video description. The video is free to use for YouTube, social media, or any other video project. Next, I'll drag the video from the project panel onto the new composition icon to create a composition. To remove the green screen, go to Effect and Presets, type Keylight in the search bar, and double-click it to apply the effect to the selected layer. Make sure the green screen video layer is selected. For screen color, use the eyedropper tool and select the green color from the video. As you can see, the green screen is now removed. I'll play a preview so you can see the result more clearly. To make the result easier to see, I'll add a solid color layer behind the video and play it again. And that's how you can easily remove a green screen in After Effects for your videos. If you're new to After Effects, I recommend watching my After Effects Basics tutorial for beginners. In that video, I explain how layers work, how keyframes affect animation, and I cover the most common mistakes beginners make so you can avoid them from the start.